Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever found yourself staring at the PS5 error code, SU-101443-3? A sudden roadblock in your gaming journey reading, "Something went wrong." As per our research, this error comes on the PS5 console for all kinds of activities, such as logging into PSN, updating the PSN console, etc. We also have found that this is mainly a network connectivity issue, and the error mostly comes to those networks that require secondary actions like the hotel's Wi-Fi. But worry not, because we've done our research and we're here to guide you through a step-by-step process to get you back in the game. First things first, before diving into any complex solutions, sometimes the simplest method can do the trick. Turn off your PS5 console and your internet, and give it a good 10-minute rest. Once that's done, restart both your console and your internet, and see if the error has been resolved. Still seeing that pesky error code? It's likely that your internet requires secondary access. Here's what you need to do. Hold down your PS button and select My Profile, then sign in. Look out for a prompt to scan a QR code or similar to access your internet. If you see this, go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. What if there's no QR code option, you ask? Well, your internet might need a secondary action through a browser, similar to how some hotel Wi-Fi networks operate. In such cases, complete the secondary action on your console by accessing the browser. So, to simplify, the main points to remember are: try a simple restart of your console and internet, check if your internet requires secondary access, and complete any necessary secondary actions via your console's browser. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit quarries.com.